Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be making carrot halwa. This is one of the classic Indian sweets and we'll be making during festivals or celebrations. We have made by adding Khoya or mawa, which makes it more special and delicious. Let's start with peeling off the skin of the carrot. The carrot should be fresh and sweeter to make this carrot halwa. Grate the carrot using a grater. Let's look at the ingredients to make the halwa. Make sure to use good quality of carrot, which should be sweeter to make this halwa. Let's fry the cashew nuts and raisin first. Melt 2 teaspoons of ghee in a kadai. Add in raisin as needed. Once raisin has puffed up, add in the cashew nuts. Remove it once the cashew nuts and the raisins are cooked well. To the same kadai, add in the grated carrots. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Our carrot is so fresh and deep orange in color. So does the halwa also will be bright orangish color. After sauteing couple of minutes, add in 2 tablespoons of oil. Saute it for 5 minutes so that the raw smell of the carrot goes off. Cover it with the lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Now add in half a liter of milk. Give it a stir and let the grated carrots simmer into the full fat milk. I like carrot halwa with a dollop of vanilla ice cream. Cover it with the lid and let the carrots get simmered into the milk. Well, the carrot has absorbed the milk and it's getting cooked. Now add in cardamom powder as needed. It took 20 minutes for us to cook the carrot very well into the milk. Our carrot is almost ready and the flavor of the carrot halwa completely depends on how we are cooking it with the milk. Now add in sugar. So sugar has to be added once the carrot is simmered into the milk. We have added half a liter of milk and the carrot has completely absorbed it. The sugar is melted and hence you will find a liquid mixture at this stage. Cook it for 10 minutes after adding the sugar. Now add in the mawa or khoya into the carrot mix. This gives extra richness to our carrot halwa. If you don't have mawa or khoya, you can very well add a couple of tablespoons of condensed milk. When you add condensed milk, you have to reduce the quantity of sugar. But adding khoya to the carrot halwa takes it to the next level of flavor. Stir it for 5 minutes and add in ghee. You can add more ghee if needed. Look at the texture of the carrot halwa. After adding ghee, cook it for another 5 minutes. Our carrot halwa is ready to be served now. It took nearly 40 minutes for me to cook this halwa. Do try this delicious carrot halwa and share me the feedback. I'll see you in another video. Until then, bye bye.